Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a sweet treat for you, the delectable creme caramel. This classic dessert is creamy, caramelized perfection that melts in your mouth. Stay tuned, and we'll show you how to make it step by step. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest recipes. To make this delightful creme caramel, you'll need the following ingredients. 1 cup of sugar, for the caramel. 4 large eggs. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. 2 cups of whole milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's start by preparing the caramel. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 1 cup of sugar and let it melt. Be patient and avoid stirring until it turns a beautiful golden color. This will take around 5-7 minutes. Carefully swirl the saucepan to ensure even caramelization. Once it reaches that golden color, immediately pour it into your mold. Swirl the mold to coat the bottom evenly with caramel. Set this aside to cool and harden. In a mixing bowl, crack open 4 large eggs. Beat them until they're well combined. Now, let's add the star ingredient, a can of sweetened condensed milk. This will provide the creamy texture and sweetness that creme caramel is known for. Pour in 2 cups of whole milk, which will help to balance the sweetness and provide a smoother consistency. A teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance the flavor, giving our creme caramel that delightful aroma. Mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Make sure to avoid excessive frothing. To ensure the mixture is smooth and free of any lumps, pass it through a fine sieve into another bowl. Now, take the mold with the hardened caramel and pour the egg and milk mixture into it. Cover the mold with aluminum foil to prevent any water from getting in, and then place it in a larger baking dish. We're going to steam our creme caramel, so add hot water to the larger dish until it reaches halfway up the sides of the mold. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and bake the creme caramel in the water bath for about 50-60 minutes. It's ready when a toothpick or knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven, take off the foil, and let it cool for a bit. Then, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours to set completely. To serve, run a knife along the edges of the mold to loosen the creme caramel. Place a serving plate on top, and with a confident flip, turn it upside down. The caramel will drizzle beautifully over the dessert. And there you have it, our delicious creme caramel is ready to enjoy. Creamy, sweet, and with that wonderful caramel topping. It's a perfect dessert for any occasion. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to make this fantastic creme caramel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your comments, and if you try this recipe, let us know how it turned out. We'll be back with more amazing recipes soon. Until then, happy cooking!